to say again for the video because I already talked to you guys. You're going to Stop and Shop to buy some Coke, okay? And it comes in all different size packages. And we're just going to quick do a couple of unit price calculations, a review of the lesson that we worked on in the last class, okay? All right, so this 2-liter bottle of Coke, normally $2.29, but it's on sale for 2 of them for $4, okay? So how much are you going to pay for this 2-liter bottle of Coke? What is the actual sale price of the 2-liter bottle? If it's 2 for $4, each bottle is going to cost what? 2 bottles is $4. How much is 1 bottle going to cost?
$2.29.
Jasenia? $2, right? $2.29 is the normal price. This is a sale price. So it's a little bit cheaper on sale. It's $2 per bottle, right? That's the sale price. It depends. It depends on how it's priced at the store. Sometimes, and Stop and Shop's good at this, right? They'll rate this like 10 for $20. And some people think that you have to buy 10 bottles in order to get that price, but you don't. You buy 1 bottle and you get the unit price on most of the things there. There'll be a sign on there. If it's not that way, it'll say, if you only buy 1, it costs the regular price. But normally, this, you'll still, even if you only buy 1 bottle, you'll get this sale price and you'll pay $2 for that 1 bottle, okay? So the sale price is $2 per bottle. What is the unit price for this 2-liter bottle of Coke? Did anyone calculate it yet? The unit price for this in ounces, okay? Don't do it in liters. Pardon? The 2-liter bottle.
How many ounces?
It's 67.6 ounces of Coke. That's what 2 liters is. 67.6 ounces. What is the unit price?
You said 67.2?
67.6.
Oh. Divided by what, 2?
It's $2. Make sure you divide in the right direction. All right. Kathy, did you get an answer?
What would it be?
Okay, so that, if you did 67.6 ounces divided by $2, that would give you an answer of ounces per dollar. Is that going to be the unit price, ounces per dollar? Or do you want dollars per ounce as the unit price? You want dollars per ounce, okay? So because this is a tricky part of these problems, and that's why we're talking. If you want your answer to be dollars per 1 ounce, then you have to do dollars divided by ounces, okay? So you're going to do $2 divided by 67.6 ounces. Okay, and that answer comes out to a small decimal of what? Point
0.02.
Read me the entire more decimal places.
0.0295857.
Okay, so we'll go out this far. Good, thank you. Okay, in your calculator, you do 2 divided by 67.6. You get 0.0295, blah, blah, blah. Now, how far do I want to go with this price? Normally, in money, we would stop at 2 decimal places, right? Because what is this price per ounce? In rounding this one up, it would be about 3 cents per ounce, right? Because the hundredths place here would be hundredths of a dollar, which are cents, okay? But when these numbers come out really small like this, a lot of times, when you round them off, they'll all come out to the same price. So we want to go a little bit further than that. But this one, even if I go to the next decimal place here, 0.029, if I round this, the thousandths place here, this third place, I go to this digit, it's 5 or above, that means this rounds up. So no matter what, even rounded to the nearest tenth of a cent or nearest thousandth of a dollar, this answer is 0.030, okay? That's dollars per ounce. Okay? 3 cents, 3.0 cents per ounce. Okay? Is that a good price? I don't know. I got to compare it with something else. Okay? So let's go and see what we get with the 6-pack.
7.5.
The 6-pack says it's 6 cans, and each can is 7.5 ounces. Right? Each can is 7.5 ounces, and it's a 6-pack, and it costs $3.59. 0.8, 80 cents. Is that what you got as your final answer? Okay, why would you do 6 divided by 7.5? What's that going to give you? The 6 is how many cans there are.
Wait, how much is it?
$3.59. There's 6 cans, and each can is 7.5 ounces. How much Coke is there in this pack? Before you get to your answer, Ron, because I think you're going in the right direction, how many ounces of Coke are you buying in this packaging? How many ounces of Coke are there if you buy this 6-pack of cans? How do you calculate that?
Because 7 times 6 is 42.
Yeah, and you have a calculator too, right? So 6 times 7.5 is the total ounces, right? So the ounces is 6 times 7.5, which is 45, right? You can do that one in your head, some people, okay? So it's 45 ounces. 45 ounces of Coke. For what price? $3.59. Is this going to be a better price than this one? Is it going to be a better price than this one? If it's 45 ounces for $3.59, and over here you got 67 ounces for $2. More Coke and less money. This one's going to be much cheaper. Okay, what is the unit price for this one?
0.079.
So 3.59, the dollars, divided by the number of ounces, and you get 0.0897, blah, 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 decimal keeps going, okay? So I can round this one off to the nearest penny. How many cents per ounce is this 6-pack? Not 8, because this next one's a 9, right? If this next digit's a 9, I would round that to a 9, okay?
But this says 0.0797.
Oh, sorry. That's a 7. So then the answer here is that this is about 8 cents per ounce. 8 cents per ounce, okay? Way more than this one, that's 3 cents per ounce, like over twice as expensive, okay?
The one next to the single bottle 2 liter usually costs out.
This
It
one,
says the one next.
this one,
Yeah, it usually costs out because it's $2.19, which is $1 or $2, and it's less.
yeah, that's because this is the single bottle you get in the refrigerator, right, at the supermarket, which is gonna always be way more expensive. The 2-liter bottle is almost always going to be your cheapest way to buy the Coke, okay, or any drink. Typically, the bigger the container, the cheaper it is per ounce, okay? So this is that comparison of unit prices. It's kind of a little bit challenging, but that's what kind of work we were doing in that last lesson, okay? All right, so I'm going to stop there and